Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I discuss about Django model. We know that if we work on web framework, we need database. Database is the main thing of every web framework. Database mainly used for submit the data, and if we need this data anytime we can retrieve it. Django provides us built-in database. The name of this database is SQLite. Here you see I already create one folder. Now in this folder first I create the environment. To creating the environment we need to write Python -m env. Here env is created. Now if I now we need to start the environment. To starting the environment, we need to write env backslash script activate. After activating the environment, we need to install Django. Pip install Django. It takes some time because it depends on the internet speed. Here Python sorry Django installed successfully. After that we need to create one project. To creating the project we need to write down Django admin is project. After that project name. Project name is models. After creating the project, we need to enter this project folder cd models. After entering the model, we need to install the app. We need to sorry to install. We need to create one app. To creating the app, we need to write down Python manage.py start create start app name. App name I write down app name here main. After creating the app, we need to set the server. Python manage.py run server. Here server running properly. In the left side you see here our project name is model, and into the model I create the app main. Here you see one I already told you Django provides us built-in database that name is SQLite. Now we need to copy these things and paste it paste it here. Our project is running successfully. Now we need to go to models. Into the models, we need to go to settings.py. We need to write here import OS, and here in the into the install app we need to down our app name. Our app name is main. Our app install here successfully. After that, we need to go to the URLs. In the URL, here after the path, we need to write down include. After the include, here we need to write down path include main dot URLs, and we need to create into the main folder urls.py. Copy from here and paste it here. We don't need this thing. Delete it. Don't need input. Save it and start this again. Here you see two line shows. You have 18 unapplied migration. Your project may not work properly until you apply the migration app, admin auth, etc. etc. Now we need to run the migration. After to run the migration, we need to write the Python manage.py make migration. Sorry, make migration. After that, Python manage.py migrate. Okay, migration complete. Now we need to create the super user. Here one question came. One question will come. Why we need to create the super user? Django also provide built-in admin panel. To entering this admin panel, we need super user. To creating the super user, we need write down this command python manage.py create super user. Here need to write down super user username admin@gmail.com. Password is admin. Okay. Super user created successfully. Super user created successfully. I already told you today I teach you the models. Here in the Word file I already created two tables, database table. One is musician, another table name is album. Again run the server. and refresh here, and into the models.py, into the app, our main app. Here one file is model.py. Into this model.py, we need to write down the code of these two tables, musician and album. Musician has a first name, last name, email, phone, state, and instrument. Now we need to write down here class models dot model first name equal to we need to write down model dot first name also character field into this maximum length is 15. Last name also model dot character field maximum length also 15. First name, last name, email, model dot email also character field. It has no problem to write down character field 15. Email, again phone number, phone, model dot character field, max length is 15. State, model dot character field, max length also 15. And instrument, max length also 15. Now we need to save these things and again run the migration. When we write down anything here, we need to run the migration. It is compulsory. Now close the server and write down python manage.py make migration, and after that python manage.py migrate. Now again run the server. I already told you Django provides us built-in admin panel. To enter the built-in admin panel, we need to again go to this here and write down after the slash, we need to write down admin. Already we created the super user. Write down username and password. We entered the admin panel. Now here we write musician table, but where is musician? If we want to see our musician, we need to write here into the admin.py. We need to write write from dot models import musician admin dot site dot we need to register the app sorry we need to register the table admin dot site dot register musician. Now if I refresh it, musician table come. If we press the musician here, add musician, we can add here musician first name, last name, email, phone number, state. Now I copied it from here. I copy it from here. Now save it. Here musician object 1 created. Now we need to create another table. Here one question have come. We don't write here ID. Why? ID, we know that ID is a primary key and primary key is compulsory in every table. But in Django automatically created the primary key. That's why we don't write here ID. Primary key automatically, again I repeat this thing. Django automatically created the primary key. That's why we don't write here ID. Again, we again we create the another table album model uh, artist here PIST artist artist model dot foreign key. Why I use foreign key here? I told you later. Foreign key musician comma on delete model dot cascade. I use foreign key here because artist. We use this musician table here. That's why we write down foreign key. After that, album name, release date, and Namestar. Album name, model dot character field, max length is 20. Album name, release date also, model dot character field, max length also 20, and after that number of stars, models dot character field, maximum length 5. Now I already told you we need to if we write down here anything, we need to run the migrations. Again, we need to run the migration. Python manage.py make migrations. After that, Python manage.py migrate. Album table created properly on the server and register this album table into the admin.py. Admin.site.register album and import it here after the musician and refresh it. Here you see album already created and it show it here. If I press the album and create the album, here artist, we only we create one artist. That's why one item came here, one artist name came here. Album name is XYZ blah blah blah. Release date is suppose 23/5/2023. Star is 5. Album is also created. Okay, that's all for today. I think it helps to understand the basic of Django models. If it is helpful to all of you, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.